This is gastric bypass. The superior part of the stomach is cut, then it is connected to the small intestine. Then food moves from the esophagus directly into the small intestine. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome on Medical Science Channel. Today we are going to see types of stomach surgery. Enjoy it. First of all, let us see part of the stomach. There is esophagus that connects to cardia, then the body of the stomach, then the pylorus. Now let's see one type of the stomach surgery. This is called gastric bypass surgery. This is simple gastric bypass surgery. This is another type of surgery called sleeve gastrectomy, where the big portion of the part is cut, the body of the stomach is cut, then food moves into the small part of the stomach, the remaining little part of the stomach. Now here is gastric band. This is mostly used in order to reduce weight. Now the upper part of the stomach is just tightened, and then little food will be moving from the upper part of the stomach down into the body of the stomach and down into the small intestine. So food that will be absorbed will be less. Here it's another look of simple gastric bypass. This is how it is done. So we have seen types of surgery or types of gastric surgery that also helps in reducing weight. Now you can have a look at all part of the body, but that makes up the body, the human body, and you will have a look at also the intestines, how the stomach of a human being is. Please enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe on this channel so that you will not miss the next video. May God bless you. support this channel by pressing like, subscribe and the bell. This is a huge support for this channel. May God bless you.